Hey there! Let's see how you can track affiliate sales effortlessly with Afflr. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application, and you are here on the Afflr dashboard, navigate to the sales section at the top. In the sales section, under the All subsection, you can view all sales made, complete with their order ID, affiliate name, customer name, order amount, status, and date of the sale. Under the Successful section, you'll find all successful sales. The Unsuccessful section lists all affiliate sales that didn't go through successfully, and the Fraudulent section shows any sales declared fraudulent. Let's head back to the All section. To export this as a CSV file, simply click on the Export button at the top right. Confirm that you'd like to export the sales detail as a CSV file, and then click on the Export button. Our sales report has been downloaded as a CSV file. Let's open it. You'll find all the details we just reviewed in the Sales Page section in the CSV file. With this downloaded file, you can now utilize the sales information for your purposes. This is how you track affiliate sales and download the sales information as a CSV file and make use of the sales data for your requirements. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.